Small YouTubers, gather up. If you're getting less than 500 views per video, you have to listen carefully. There are 2 settings in YouTube Studio that most creators don't even know about, but turning them on can completely change how YouTube recommends your videos. And before you think, your channel doesn't even have 1,000 subs yet, how do you know this works? Let me be real with you. This isn't my first channel. I've built multiple faceless YouTube channels. One even crossed 50,000 subscribers, before YouTube demonetized it. So when I say I know these tricks work, it's because I've seen it firsthand across multiple channels. Believe me or not, that's your choice. But if you're serious about growth, trust me, pay close attention. Before we dive into these settings, quick heads up. At the end, I'll show you how to get a free resource that helped me grow past 50,000 subs. The strategies in this video plus that resource, that's how you skip months of trial and error. I actually did an entire video before on one of these settings. That's how important this is. Most small YouTubers don't realize one of these settings can only be changed on desktop, not your phone. Miss these, and you'll be stuck for months or even years wondering why YouTube isn't pushing your videos. I know, because when I first started out, I was obsessed. Like crazy binge-watching every YouTube growth video I could find. When I found these settings and applied them, it was like someone handed me the keys out of the nobody's watching phase. I got monetized in just 5 weeks after fixing these, and that was no accident. Before I show you exactly where these settings are, let's do something powerful together. Drop a comment below right now and tell us, in just one clear sentence, what your YouTube channel is about. Then, after watching this video, go back to the comments. Check out other small YouTubers. Only subscribe if you're genuinely interested. Watch a couple of their videos. Leave a real comment to boost their engagement. Now listen carefully. Don't just subscribe randomly to help each other out. Here's why that backfires. It confuses YouTube's algorithm. If your subscribers don't actually engage, YouTube assumes your videos are bad. That kills your reach, and theirs too. Example. If you subscribe to a salmon farming channel in Alaska, but you don't care about salmon or farming, you're hurting that channel because you'll never click or watch their videos. Same for you. Random subscribers equals random signals equals dead channel. That's why it's critical. Describe your channel clearly. Only connect with people genuinely interested. It helps you both grow the right way. And stick around to the end. I'll show you how to get a free resource that helped me grow past 50,000 subs. Alright, now let's get into the first setting you need to fix channel keywords. Here's what to do. Go to YouTube Studio on desktop. Click Settings, then Channel, and finally Basic Info. You'll see a section called Keywords. Now, super important, if you want to target viewers from a specific country, this is also where you can set your channel location. This helps YouTube's algorithm understand which audience to prioritize when recommending your videos, making it way easier to gain traction in your own region. If you leave this blank, YouTube has no idea what your channel is about, or who to recommend you to. Here's what you should add in the keywords box. Your channel name. Specific keywords about your niche. Names of big YouTubers in your space. Example, in my niche I added Think Media and other related terms. After updating this, I started seeing real traction. More views, better recommendations, even comments from viewers saying, "Hey, I found you while watching another big channel, it works." Now setting number 2, how you upload and schedule your videos matters more than you think. Instead of hitting publish right away, here's what to do. Upload your video, set it to unlisted, and publish it at least 24 hours later.